Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will be talking to you guys about the L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert Absolute Repair range. So I'll be using the shampoo, mask and their leave-in serum. So I haven't been feeling the best. I just recovered from a viral infection. I had tonsillitis, I was bedridden for 10 days and I just woke up with the worst hair, worst skin, and I really needed to do something about my dry, damaged hair. And I asked my hairstylist, who usually does my hair color, for a range that would work, and he recommended that I try the Serie Expert range from L'Oreal Professionnel. And I have had him use this in my hair in salon and I loved the result, so I decided to get it for myself. So the entire range is made with gold quinoa extracts and wheat protein, and it is meant to instantly reconstruct your dry and damaged hair, and that's exactly what I needed, so I decided to try it. The first thing I did was wash my hair using the shampoo. The shampoo is very lightweight, it lathers up really well, and then onto my damp hair I went ahead and applied the Absolute Repair mask. As you can see, it has a very rich, thick texture and it is deeply nourishing for your hair. And to apply this, I just went ahead and sectioned all of my hair, and then I made even smaller sections and went ahead and took a little bit of the mask and applied a good generous amount onto that section. Now you'll notice that I am not taking the mask all the way up to my scalp. I'm just applying it on the hair and not the roots and the scalp. So once the mask is applied, I also like to use my finger to detangle my hair. As you can see, my hair is extremely knotty right now. That's what happens when you have like really dry, damaged hair, especially my ends. They're so dry, and as soon as I applied this, I could tell that it was very easy to kind of break off all of the knots and tangles. And then I kept this on for like 3 to 5 minutes and I went ahead and just finished my shower. So this is what my hair looks like after I washed it. And then I went ahead and applied the Serie Expert Wheat Oil Absolute Repair Nourishing Serum. My hair feels really soft. I can actually see the difference, and I just used it once. It genuinely looks really healthy. I can see like a really nice healthy shine on it, and this is what my hair looks like after it has dried. I air dried it like 80% and then I went ahead and blow dried it. So as you can tell, like especially like the ends of my hair, they look so much better. They literally look alive. I absolutely love the sheen on my hair and I can't stop touching my hair. It genuinely feels like I've gotten a treatment in salon, and it was super easy to do this at home and I really enjoyed the experience. I'm definitely going to try this more, and I would highly recommend this for you guys as well. If you are someone with really dry, damaged hair, I think this would work very well for you. I have linked the products down below in the description box in case you guys would want to check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!